Catherine from Collier County Public Library, and tonight I'm going to make a recipe from the Well-Plated Cookbook by Erin Clark, and I'm going to do the Caprese Chicken Skillet. It takes about 45 minutes to cook, and this is a real simple recipe, all done in a skillet. In a small saucepan, I'm going to take the 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of honey, and the 1/2 cup balsamic vinegar, and place that on low heat in a saucepan. I'll cook that occasionally for about 15 minutes. While the balsamic reduces, I'm going to season both sides of my chicken breasts, and then in my large heavy bottom skillet, I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium to high heat. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the chicken breasts top sides down, being careful so that the oil doesn't splatter. I turn the pan to low or medium heat, and then since there's still oil left in the pan, I'm not going to add 1 additional tablespoon of olive oil, but if you need to, you can. Now I'm going to add the red onion, and I'm going to let that cook for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes, the thyme, and the remaining 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of honey. And that'll all go in my skillet. I'm going to turn the heat back up a little bit, just to medium high, and cook until the tomatoes begin to soften, and that should be about 2 minutes. The tomatoes are softened and the onion and the garlic smell wonderful. I'm going to take my chicken out and put that back into the pan. And that's lit in between the tomatoes here. And then I'm going to add my mozzarella pearls. Let these melt. Give that about 2 minutes to soften up, melt a little bit. And then the last step, when the mozzarella melts a little bit, is to add my basil on top. And I almost forgot about the balsamic and honey reduction. That goes right over the top.